Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode. Dave Rodriguez here, one of the head traders inside the Alliance community. Quick shout out to everyone watching the video today. Definitely appreciate all the support. Just make sure you guys mash that subscribe button if you have not already. We drop content here just about every single day for you guys to enjoy. All you newbies out there, if you're first time watchers, make sure you stay to the end, guys, because we will be revealing our new ebook. It's the Cryptocurrency Consumer Guide. All our best kept trading secrets and strategies are inside the books. There's tons of facts and some key things you'll need to know to get started and make money inside this business. So make sure you guys sign up for that today. We'll give you the details right at the end. It's also right in the description below. The bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT will take you there. Without wasting any more time, let's hop into some of these charts. A few key things to look at that we'll go over today. Want to make sure you guys I want to make sure we show you a couple of key things that we're looking at inside of the Alliance that we think you guys should look at as well. We'll kind of break each one of them down one by one, and then we'll see how every one of them turn out and the reasons behind it. So let's take a look right here at these two Bitcoin charts. As you can see, they're both weekly charts. They're both on Bitfinex. If you're asking yourself, why do I have two Bitfinex charts pulled up? Why am I not comparing some other charts on the other end of the spectrum, like maybe Bitfinex versus Coinbase or something of that matter? Well, there's a simple answer to that. This one to the left is actually a bull run in 2014. One to the right is current bull run. These are the weekly charts, guys. I could break them down to the daily, but it looks better here on the weekly because you can actually see all of it. Look at this bull run, guys. A run up, huge run up. Let's see. 14,000%. I think that says. And then a huge run up. Almost 1,000%. Well, you could probably take it farther than that. I didn't really get it from the inception back here. Mess that up. Try it again. It says 2,400%. I don't know if that's right or not. But, guys, you can see they look very similar. Okay? This is a bull run in 2014. You can't even see that on this chart, guys, but this is it right here. This bull run right here that you're seeing on the right is actually this right here. You can see. Okay, if you look to the right here, and you see I'm moving the cursor. If you look to the left, you can see the cursor's on the bull run. You see me going up and down to the left? That's because this is the same chart, guys. Look at the bull run. This is a very, very small part. And what happened? Consolidated for years, guys. Look at how long these investors held this through all of the FUD, through all of the BS, through all of their friends telling them that they're crazy. And then, look what really happened. Guys, this is a bull run in 2014. Let me show you what happened. I mean, I would be pulling this down for days on end, trying to get back to where we are now, guys. That is a speckle on this chart, and it was a 1,400% bull run, or 14,000% bull run. Just gives you guys some perspective, something to look at, guys. That's what I just highlighted, and here it is. Look what happened after these investors held out and waited through all the BS, through all the FUD, through all the articles, through all the, bad things the governments had to say, the crackdowns, the just everything that's happened, guys. And then look, I mean, the bull runs come in. And now we're running through another downturn, like this downturn here. Okay, we're running through another one of those. Can we keep falling? Absolutely. Look at these weekly candles. I mean, now that we've seen what we're looking at here, we can break it down a little bit more And look at these weekly candles. Huge weekly candle to the downside that broke every previous support. Currently sitting right here on this support. But look at the weekly candle. It's already made its way down and through this support here. You know, it hasn't closed yet, but it's making its way down. If it closes here, guys, we could see another level here. Maybe we could see, you know, something like this, 3,700. You know, we don't know. But am I worried about the state of Bitcoin? No. Have I changed the way that I'm investing? Maybe I've changed the strategies a little bit as far as how much I'm investing or, you know, how much I'm trading right now. But it hasn't changed anything else. I'm still trading Bitcoin. I'm still trading altcoins. I'm still in and out of the market. I'm looking at it the same way. I'm still looking at fundamentals. But the market's been in a downturn for a year, and I've still made money week in and week out by waiting for the right opportunities. Not every day is a trading day. You know, today might be a charting day to sit and stare and see what's going to happen and waiting for my opportunities in some other altcoins. My point is, guys, I'm looking for as many different things, as many different correlations. I wanted to show you guys that little breakdown just so you guys can see these things happen before, and they've drawn out for years before they've paid these people. Maybe this thing does, you know, maybe we are in another cycle where Bitcoin is just going to draw out and make everybody wait again before, you know, shake out all those hands, sit here, consolidate, bottom out somewhere. Maybe it's not here, maybe it's down here. Bottom out somewhere, work its way sideways, and then start to pop up. And then what if this bull run here is what the whole point of this conversation is, guys? What if this bull run here becomes another dwarf like this bull run back here? Imagine what the next one looks like, guys. Keep that in mind. So with that said, guys, I want to break down a couple of things on some smaller charts. Let's go to the 4-hour. Let's get rid of all this mumbo jumbo. And let's see what is in store for us here. As we zoom in, there's, we can, oh, wow. Can't do it like that. Let me get an actual chart up here, guys. Let's see what we're looking at. Oh, that's too much. Okay, fall it down. We got some ugliness going on here. You know, guys, what we can see here on the 4-hour is a few different things. As you can see, we're making lower lows here. We're actually, you know, got a low here, a lower one here. And on the RSI, we're making higher highs. So this basically means that institutions, big investors, the big money is heading up for the time being. Big money's heading up for the time being, and the charts show it's heading down, which shows that we should see a bullish bounce here. Okay. Another thing to show is on the big charts, like the daily, we are still well below the 30. 30, anything below 30 is oversold, guys, which means we need to recover. The buyers have to show up somewhere down here. It's completely oversold. We need to start to see some buys. We see some slight divergence here, but it's really evident on the 4-hour. So this is another reason being oversold, why we should see a move to the upside. On the 4-hour, we see there's clear divergence, bullish divergence right here going to the upside. We're seeing higher highs, and right here we're seeing lower lows. We have somewhat of a, depending on what chart you use, I'm just going to keep using this because we're on it. We got like some sort, we got a double bottom where we've seen, it's not a perfect double bottom here on this chart, but we have a double bottom where we've seen this area become somewhat support. So this area has come somewhat support, so which would make this area here kind of like a neckline, like something like that. So what I could see next is Bitcoin. Sorry. What I can see next is a move like, man, can't even find things. Take a day or two off the charts, don't even know where things are at. What I can see next is a move here to the neckline at around 4,700. You might see the neckline here, maybe 4650. In this area, in this general area, guys, we will see a bounce. Now, if we do see a break above here, like this is going to trigger the break of the neckline. And we will see a move similar to this. Because remember, guys, if we use the the height measurement tool, I guess you can call it. It's like a breakout tool. Normally, the height of the area from the bottom to the neckline is the breakout area. So you should see a breakout like this. Maybe the 5100 area could be a next level to look out for. So if this is in fact a little double bottom here, we'll see a break up to the neckline at 4,700. If we see a break and a hold up and above the neckline, we should see the next target being around 5,100. So keep an eye out for this, guys. We do have a lot of bullish scenarios here, a lot of bullish signals on some of the RSIs that I look at. Some of the more confusing ones that I haven't explained on the channel, I'm not going to bring up, but there is also other reasons why I'm looking for this upside move. The biggest reason is because Bitcoin has been obliterated. We are in complete oversold areas, and we are seeing some areas of support being held, along with the confluence of all the other stuff that I just told you. So keep an eye out for all that, guys. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this breakdown. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you guys take some of the advice into your daily analysis, because we spend a lot of time looking over the charts and bringing you the value that we bring you. So mash that like button if you guys like the video today. Go ahead and mash that subscribe button so you guys can watch them every day. Those newbies, in the description below, please hit that link. It's the bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. That'll take you straight to the ebook and also a training series brought to you by Cody Sperber himself. You guys, inside the Alliance, Cody Sperber brings you all kinds of free stuff, all kinds of very good information and very good tools to use in your arsenal. And I provide you guys a lot of good content, a lot of great content inside the Alliance, as far as signals, as far as daily fundamentals, as far as these Bitcoin breakdowns, anything you need to succeed in the Bitcoin market, you can find inside of the Alliance. So make sure you take advantage of that free ebook and take advantage of the free training series. And come check us out in the inside of the Alliance community. I'll see you guys in the next Bitcoin breakdown. I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving.